Hi guys and welcome to How to Maximize. For today's video, I will show you how to make Gamepass on Roblox mobile. To start, open your internet browser and head on over to roblox.com. On Roblox, select Create on the upper right. For tutorial purposes, we are now going to be switching our view from mobile view to desktop view in our internet browser, so that things would be a lot easier. Once we switch to desktop view right now, in here, we will see a button that says Start Creating. All we have to do this time is to select Start Creating. Once the website loads, we should be able to see Experience. Then in here, select an experience you have already made. This time, select the three dots on the upper right of the thumbnail, and then select Create Badge. On Create a Badge, in here you will have the possibility to create your own badge. If you are not looking to make a badge, select Passes. Then in here, there is a button that says Create a Pass. In here, just tweak the details, starting with the image header of your pass. Select any from your internal memory. Once selected, you can now upload this one. You can also give your pass a name, and then to complete, add a description to your pass. Now select the button that says Create Pass. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Please leave a like, share, and subscribe to the channel.